Are you adding a new project and AppSheet is not allowing you to save the project? Are you facing this problem? We will discuss the solution in this video. First of all, here you see some of the error. It is saying that the entry is required. To get rid of this error, you have to go to your data source, click on that table and scroll a little bit on the right side and you will find this column required. If checkbox is here, it means that column is required and you have to enter any value there to proceed further. If that enter is not required, you can just uncheck that off. For example, the project ID is required, project name is required. You cannot leave that empty. So in that case, I will add that checkbox in front of that thing. If project name is required, I will add the checkbox here. So now project name will be required, but the assign to should also be required, to which person I am assigning the project. So I will check the box. Similarly, if that enter is required, just check this box and you will see this star icon. This star will be displayed after the name of the field and you will not be able to save the form until unless you enter any value there. But there are some fields, for example the notes, it is not mandated. So I will just uncheck that option so you can save it without adding that thing. This is very important for user experience to only add the checkbox for those fields that are particularly required, that are required for lookups, that are required for multiple data segregations or sorting or all of those things, and don't require unnecessary fields, so that the user can save the information without adding any random values or in all of those fields. But you cannot make the project ID unrequireable. Project ID is always required because that is the thing that is being used in the AppSheet at the back end to differentiate between multiple entries. Okay, so we talked about either a field is mandatory or it is optional. But in some cases, a field can be mandatory and optional at the same time. When this happens, how to do that? This happens when, for example, I am selecting the expense type as material, so it is mandatory for me to add the material cost. But if the expense type is not material, it is labor, then it is not mandatory for me to add the material cost, right? So in that case, instead of just adding the checkbox and unchecking it, I have to click on this pencil icon. Then I will go to data validity, and here instead of adding the checking or unchecking it, I will click on this button and it will be converted into a text box. Click on that and here you can add your expression. If it is a single condition, for example, if the material name is alpha, then this field is mandatory. Otherwise, this field is not mandatory. Or if I want to add two conditions, I can just write AND command. So material name is alpha and at the same time there is one more condition like employee name is beta. So now I added two conditions. If material name is alpha and employee name is beta, then you have to apply this condition. Otherwise, don't apply this condition.